Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of interior home decor, bringing you the top inspirations to transform your living space into a stylish and comfortable haven. Whether you're looking to revamp a single room or your entire home, we've got you covered with the latest trends and timeless classics. Modern minimalist approach. The modern minimalist approach to interior home decor is characterized by its focus on simplicity, functionality, and the use of clean lines. This style aims to create a space that is uncluttered and serene, promoting a sense of calm and order. The modern minimalist design is perfect for those who appreciate a tidy and tranquil environment, where every element has a purpose and contributes to the overall aesthetic. Key elements. Clean lines. The foundation of modern minimalist design lies in its emphasis on clean, straight lines. This can be seen in the architecture of the space, as well as in the furniture and decor. Avoiding intricate patterns and ornate details, this style focuses on simplicity and clarity. Neutral colors. The color palette in minimalist design is typically neutral, including shades of white, beige, gray, and black. These colors help to create a calm and cohesive look, allowing the space to feel open and airy. Functional furniture. In a minimalist home, furniture is chosen not only for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its functionality. Pieces are often multi-purpose, serving more than one function to maximize space and efficiency. For example, a sleek sofa bed or a coffee table with hidden storage compartments. Uncluttered spaces. One of the main principles of minimalist design is the elimination of unnecessary items. This means keeping surfaces clear, organizing belongings efficiently, and choosing decor that serves a purpose. The goal is to create a space that feels open and free of distractions. Benefits. The modern minimalist approach offers several benefits, including a sense of peace and tranquility. By reducing visual clutter, this style allows for a more relaxed and focused environment. Additionally, the emphasis on functionality and simplicity can lead to a more efficient and organized home, making daily tasks easier and more enjoyable. Eclectic style. The eclectic style of interior home decor is all about mixing and matching different elements to create a unique and personalized space. This approach allows for a great deal of creativity and self-expression, making it a popular choice for those who want their home to reflect their individuality. Key elements. Bold colors. Eclectic design often features a bold and vibrant color palette. This can include a mix of contrasting colors that create a lively and dynamic atmosphere. The use of color is a key element in making an eclectic space feel cohesive and intentional. Diverse patterns. Patterns play a significant role in eclectic decor. From geometric shapes to floral prints, the combination of different patterns adds depth and interest to the space. The key is to find a balance between patterns so that they complement rather than clash with each other. Variety of textures. An eclectic room is rich in textures, incorporating materials such as wood, metal, fabric, and glass. This variety of textures adds warmth and dimension to the space, making it feel inviting and comfortable. Personalized accessories. The beauty of eclectic design lies in its ability to showcase personal items and collectibles. Whether it's artwork, vintage finds, or travel souvenirs, these pieces add character and tell a story, making the space truly unique. Benefits. The eclectic style allows for maximum creativity and personalization. It gives homeowners the freedom to combine their favorite elements from different design styles, resulting in a space that is one of a kind. This approach also encourages the use of existing items, promoting sustainability and reducing the need for new purchases. Rustic farmhouse style. The rustic farmhouse style is perfect for those who adore a cozy and inviting atmosphere. This decor inspiration focuses on incorporating natural materials, vintage accents, and a warm color palette to create a charming and homey environment. Key elements. Natural materials. Wood and stone are the primary materials used in rustic farmhouse design. Exposed wooden beams, reclaimed wood furniture, and stone fireplaces are common features that add a touch of rustic charm. Vintage accents. Incorporating vintage or antique items is essential to achieving the farmhouse look. This can include anything from old farmhouse sinks and barn doors to vintage decor items like lanterns and enamelware. Warm colors. The color palette in a rustic farmhouse style typically includes warm, earthy tones. Shades of brown, beige, and cream are often used, along with muted greens and blues, to create a welcoming and comfortable space. Cozy textiles. Soft and cozy textiles are a must in a farmhouse home. Think chunky knit blankets, plaid or gingham patterns, and lots of throw pillows. These elements add warmth and comfort, making the space feel like a true retreat. Benefits. The rustic farmhouse style creates a warm and inviting environment that feels like a true home. It promotes a sense of nostalgia and comfort, making it perfect for families and those who enjoy a more relaxed and laid-back lifestyle. Additionally, the use of natural and reclaimed materials supports sustainability and eco-friendly living. Scandinavian design. Scandinavian design is known for its simplicity, functionality, and connection to nature. This style emphasizes light colors, natural light, and minimalistic furniture to create a serene and practical space. Key elements. Light colors. A light and neutral color palette is a hallmark of Scandinavian design. White, light gray, and soft pastels are commonly used to create a bright and airy atmosphere. These colors help to maximize natural light and make the space feel open and spacious. Natural light. Maximizing natural light is essential in Scandinavian design. Large windows, light-colored walls, and minimal window treatments help to bring in as much light as possible, creating a warm and inviting environment. Minimalistic furniture. Furniture in a Scandinavian home is simple and functional. Clean lines, sleek designs, and a focus on practicality are key elements. Furniture pieces are often made from natural materials like wood and are designed to be both beautiful and functional. Connection to nature. Incorporating elements of nature is important in Scandinavian design. This can include using natural materials, such as wood and stone, as well as adding plants and greenery to the space. This connection to nature helps to create a calming and peaceful environment. Benefits. Scandinavian design promotes a sense of calm and tranquility, making it ideal for creating a peaceful home environment. Its emphasis on functionality and simplicity also leads to a more organized and efficient space. Additionally, the use of natural materials and light colors can help to improve mood and well-being. Glam style. The glam style of interior home decor is perfect for those who love a touch of luxury. This style is all about incorporating plush fabrics, metallic finishes, and elegant accessories to create a space that is sophisticated and glamorous. Key elements. Plush fabrics. Luxurious fabrics like velvet, silk, and satin are commonly used in glam decor. These materials add a sense of richness and opulence to the space, making it feel more luxurious. Metallic finishes. Metallic accents are a key element in glam design. Gold, silver, and bronze finishes can be found on furniture, lighting fixtures, and decor items. These finishes add a touch of sparkle and sophistication. Elegant accessories. Accessories in a glam home are carefully chosen to enhance the overall aesthetic. Crystal chandeliers, mirrored furniture, and decorative objects with intricate details are common features that add a sense of elegance and glamour. Rich colors. While neutral colors are often used as a base, rich and bold colors like deep blues, emerald greens, and royal purples can also be incorporated to add depth and drama to the space. Benefits. The glam style creates a luxurious and sophisticated environment that feels like a high-end retreat. It allows homeowners to indulge in opulent materials and finishes, making their space feel special and unique. Additionally, the attention to detail and carefully chosen accessories can make a home feel more polished and refined. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspirations. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!